What's up guys, Daryl from Deluxe Joints here, and today I'm bringing you Universe Dinobot. Alright, bear with me today, I'm quite sick. I don't know if you can tell, you can probably hear me sniffling and stuff. But, I saw this guy at Target today, picked him up, and hot damn, I'm gonna review him. So, let's get this guy out of the box. So guys, I thought it was really appropriate that I would be sick to be doing this review. As you can hear, I'm sniffling, and I just remembered how much it resembled Dinobot talking in the show when he used to snarl. Like that. I just thought that would be a little funny thing to share with you guys. Anyways, here's Dinobot right out of the package. As you can see, this is the first thing I noticed when I took him out. But not to worry, his tail's right there. Alright? Now, when he's fully transformed, he's so damn long that he has to be improperly transformed to fit in the box. And that's pretty badass of him, you know? Dinobot always was a badass character. That's why I liked him so much. That's why he's my favorite character in the Beast Wars line. You know? He was a bad guy who turned good. And, you know, I thought that was original back then, you know, when I was a kid. But hey, look at him now. He's tight. He's tight. Only thing about his dinosaur mode is I don't remember him being gray. I remember him being fully brown. But yeah, here he is gray, has some brown stripes. No other complaints other than all the kibble from the bottom view. Otherwise, it looks just fine. What I do like about this, you can store his missile, and this is going to make you laugh as much as it did I, but this is how you can seal his missile in beast mode. And I always thought, you know, I always liked that to be concealed, you know, stuff like that. If you guys hide the weapon in the alt mode and stuff, it's always a bonus, and it's a bonus for him, because I'm not going to go around losing my missiles again, like when I was a kid. Okay, so there's Dinobot in his beast mode. So, let's get to transforming him. First thing you want to do, take off the tail entirely. You want to take his heel, flip it down, and turn it around. Flip it down, turn it around, turn around the foot. Turn around the foot. Alright, straighten out his legs. Pull this down, both sides. Pull out this little teeth material. You know, I thought this was pretty clever that they would do this just so that you could be a lot more show accurate. There you are. And it doesn't really snap in all that well, but it's molded so well that it doesn't even matter, because it fits just fine, that I wouldn't have to worry about it after excessive play for it to pop out. So there we have, halfway done. Let's move these back, and then put these down so I can pull these little chest parts out, because I can open up his chest. I want to do it like that so that I can put these back up. Then you want to center the pelvis, squish them together like so, and make sure that it's centered, because you can slide them from side to side due to the transformation. I mean, it's not like it's a gimmick. Oops, I'm doing that stupidly. Okay, then we want to bring down the head, bring down his arms, his other arm, bring the shoulders up, and activate his wings, which I don't remember Dinobot having in the show. And here he is in his robot mode, which I do particularly like a lot, because he actually looks like he's in some kind of robot mode. Because much like the old figures, one form had to suffer for the other one to look good. Yet, this looks good both ways. And so I'm very proud of that. I like what you did, Hasbro. But what I did not like what you did, Hasbro, is you made Dinobot ugly yellow and purple instead of blue and gold. You're supposed to be blue and gold, not ugly purple and yellow. But there's Dinobot, regardless. He has the same gimmick as some of you know with Shockwave. He can be a Maximal, or he can be a Predacon. But we do know he is faithful to the Maximal, so there we go. He's a Maximal. And there we go. You can take his bow, fold it out like I just did there. You can put it right in his hand. That just fell off. You guys didn't see that. There we go. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm fitting this into his hand. That's what I'm doing. There we go. There's his bow going on. His little arrow, which is also, oh, bam, his sword. Which sort of looks like his sword in the show, but not really. It's a little too short. I wish it was longer, so it could actually look like a sword, instead of like a dagger thing. Alright, and there he is in his robot mode, which I do happen to like a lot. Now, one other gimmick the other gimmick I really like is he can have his original hands, because in Beast Wars he did not have robot hands. He actually had claws just like this. And if you wanted to have his original claws, you may, at your pleasing. The only downside is he does not have the ability to hold his weapons, unfortunately. But there you go. Articulation wise, he bends at the knee a little bit, but it's hindered by this back joint right here for this huge thing. His feet can swivel and such, his arms rotate 360, but never mind, they don't, because of his shoulders. His head, okay, maybe his articulation isn't that good, but all in all, Dinobot's my favorite figure, and I think you should pick him up. You know, if you're a good and loyal Dinobot fan, pick him up, definitely. But if you're not so much into the Beast Wars line and such, then you can pass. No big. You probably won't miss him, especially for, you know, not being the best universe figure out there. No, he's no Hound or anything, but, you know, I like him. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed my Universe Dinobot review. Enjoy, guys. Have a good one.